Right. So very good morning to all of you. So today's class in trigonometry exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. In last problem, prove that cos 6x it is equal to 32 cos ratio 6x minus 48 cos ratio 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So you consider cos 6x. Cos 6x can be written as 2 into 3x or 3 into 2x. You can take anyone. You can take anyone. So I took here a cos 3 into 2x. So it is the form of cos 3x. Cos 3x formula is what? Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So what is the difference between this one and this one? So replace x by 2x. So 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So after that, cos 2x formula you substitute in terms of cos. Cos 2x formula is what? So 2 cos square x minus 1. You have to substitute. So what happens? 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. So now 4 into, so 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube means a minus b whole cube formula. So a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. So where a is equal to cos square x, b is equal to 1. You substitute in that, what happens? So a value 2 cos cube x whole cube, 2 cos square x whole cube minus b value 1, so 1 cube minus 3 a square means 2 cos square x whole square, next b value 1, so plus 3ab square, 3 into a value 2 cos square x into b value 1 square. So in this formula a is equal to 2 cos square x, b value 1 substituted, b value 1 substituted in this formula. So minus, so this value as it is you write, so 3 into 2, 6 cos square x, so minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. Again you do simplification, again you do simplification. So whatever we used formulas beside was written, beside only written, understand? Next 4 of, so 2 cube 8, so this is cos ratio 6x. Next 4 is multiplied minus 4, so minus, next minus, so 2 square 4, so 4 into 3 12, so 12 into 4 48 cos square x. Next, so 2 into 4 2 into 3 6 into 4 24 plus 24 cos square x. So here square means cos ratio 4, cos ratio 4 minus 6 cos square x plus minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So this bracket also you should remove. So bracket also, see once again, listen. So 2 cube 8 cos square x. Next multiply with 4 means what happens? This is 8 into 4 32 cos ratio 6. Next 1 cube means 1, so 1 into 4 minus 4. Next 2 square 4 into 3 12 into 4 48 cos ratio 4x. So next plus. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 4, 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So inside bracket value simplified and multiplied with 4 as it is, directly multiplied. Okay, right? Now see that simplification. So 32 cos ratio 6x again minus 48 cos ratio 4x, right in that order. So next one is here 24 cos square x is there, minus 6 cos square x is there. So both are subtracted, we are getting plus 18 cos square x plus 18 cos square x. Again, so here minus 4 is there, here plus 3 is there. So subtracted, what is remaining? Minus 1 is remaining. Note down fast. Okay, now in the trigonometry 3.1 and some extra problems also completed. Next 3.2, 3.3 in all exercises are completed. So trigonometric equations are deleted from the syllabus. So what we have to do? So what concepts we did all the concepts. So we left some problems in the trigonometric. So from that material we will discuss some more questions. So note down fast. Note down. In material, we will discuss some more questions. In material. Right. So page number in your material, page number 65. Material. Page number 65. Page number 65. Right? Page number 65. So question number 86. Question number 86. So show that cos of 45 degrees minus cos of 45 degrees plus theta minus sin of 45 degrees minus theta sin of 45 degrees plus theta, it is equal to 0 we are going to prove. So we completed all problems in exercises. Okay, na? All problems in trigonometry. So 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 all problems we completed. Still we are doing some material questions. Okay, na? So note down page number 65 from the material. So I was written one question, you see. Cos 45 degrees plus theta or minus theta, 45 degrees plus theta, sin 45 degrees minus theta, sin 45 degrees plus theta. So this formula is comparing with, suppose that x equal to 45 degrees minus theta, so y is equal 45 degrees plus theta. Suppose we consider like this, then what happens? You have to observe. So LHS value you take. LHS value, like models we already completed in exercises. Once again I will revise you all the points. So cos this value x, suppose this is x, this is y. So what happens? That is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So what is our formula? Cos x cos y minus cos of x plus y formula. Cos of x plus y is our formula, right? So x is equal to what here? X is equal to what here? 45 minus theta plus y is what here? 45 plus theta. 45 minus theta is x. 45 plus theta is y. So x plus y. So simplification. Plus theta minus theta cancel. Then what is remaining? Cos 90 degrees. 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. 45 plus 45, 90. So cos 90 degrees value 0. That whole summation should be 0. That whole summation should be 0. Note down fast. Next question number 87. Next question number 87. Show that tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta, it is equal to 1. Very simple question, you have to simplify. So very simple question, you have to simplify. Try this one. Tan a plus b formula means tan x plus y formula, tan x minus y formula, just you apply. So then simplified will get the solution very easily. Very easily we are getting the solution. Still any confusions? You see now. LHS equal to tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta. So tan pi by 4 plus theta means tan x plus y formula, tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta into, this is tan x minus y, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta, tan pi by 4 tan theta. Note down. See that simplification. See that simplification. LHS value don't be confused, page number 65. So LHS value, so tan pi by 4 value 1, so 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus, so tan pi by 4 value 1, so 1 into tan theta means tan theta into this is tan pi by 4 is 1, so 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, we substituted, we are getting this value. So tan pi by 4 equal to 1 substituted, we are getting this value. Then simplify this, what we are getting, so 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta. Then simplified, your solution is 1. Then simplified, your solution is 1. Note down fast. Note down students. So next question, same material only, question number 88. Same material, page number 65, question number 88. Show that sin x plus y plus sin x minus y divided by cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, it is equal to tan x. It is equal to tan x. It is equal to tan x. So take the del x's value. So the total value, it is completely based on formula. Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. What is our formula? So 2 sin x cos 2 sin x cos, again cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. What is our formula? You see transformation formulas. You see transformation 8 formulas. So cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, 2 cos x cos 2 cos x cos y. So simplification, 2 get cancelled. So cos y cancel. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Sin x by cos x equal to tan x. Note down fast. Note down. Very simple questions, completely based on formulas. Next question, 89. If tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3, show that A plus B equal to pi by 4. Show that A plus B equal to pi by 4. A plus B equal to pi by 4. Understand? See, here given data. What is given data? Tan A value given 1 by 2. Tan B value given 1 by 3. Tan B value 1 by 3 given. So the total summation means A plus B equal to. So consider. So A plus B equal to pi by 4 we are going to prove, right? So A plus B means what we have to take for sin, for cos, for tan, for cot. For A plus B you are considering. So then what trigonometric function we have to multiply here? What trigonometric multiplication we have to do here? Okay, now see here given data in terms of tan is there. Given data in terms of tan is there. So you have to consider tan of A plus B. You have to consider tan of A plus B. Suppose here given data in terms of sin is given. Sines are given. You take sin of A plus B. So here both causes are given. You take cos of A plus B. So now you write tan A plus B formula. So tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. 1 minus tan A into tan B. So what is tan A value? 1 by 3 plus what is tan B value? 1 by 3. So whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So tan A value, tan B value substituted. Then what happens here? Simplification. So 2 into 3, 6. So next 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. So whole divided by, so 2 into 3, 6, LCM. So 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 into 1, 1. So 6, 6 cancel. So remaining 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 6 minus 1, 5. So tan A plus B equal to 5 by 5, 1. So that is 1. So we are getting finally tan A plus B equal to 1. Tan A plus B equal to 1 we are getting. So in tan column, so in tan row, in tan standard values table, you tan table you see. So tan row you see. So 1 is equal to what? So 1 is equal to what? Tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means what? Pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. So 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Both sides tan will be cancelled. Both sides tan will be cancelled. Remaining A plus B equal to pi by 4 is your answer. A plus B equal to pi by 4 is your answer. Now down fast. Similar question. Question number 90. Similar question. You see question number 90. Question number 90. You see. Question number 90. You see. Question number 9. What is that? Prove that tan 85 degrees minus tan 25 degrees, it is equal to root 3 1 plus tan 85 degrees tan 25 degrees, tan 85 degrees tan 25 degrees. Okay now? So you prove this value. So then what we have to consider? Consider. So here angles, how many angles are there? 2 angles. One is 85, another one is 25. So here left hand side difference given. So you consider 85 degrees minus 25 degrees. How much? 85 degrees minus 25 degrees. How much? It is 60. It is 60 degrees. Now the whole problem in terms of tan is there. You taking tan on both sides. Tan 85 degrees minus 25 degrees, it is equal to tan 60 degrees. Now apply simplification. Left hand side you take tan A minus B formula or x minus y formula. Apply, simplify, will get the solution. Do this one homework. Understand, students? So do this one homework. So here tan x minus y formula you have to expand. Next step will get the solution. Only 2 steps. Formula, next step answer. Do this one homework. Next page number 66. Page number 66. Next question. Page number 66. So 91. Question number 91. Prove that first question, tan 69 degrees plus tan 66 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 69 degrees tan 66 degrees, it is equal to minus 1. Second question, cos 17 degrees plus sin 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees minus sin 17 degrees equal to tan 62 degrees. Tan 62 degrees. So these are very, very important in competitive also. Listen carefully. These are very, very important in competitive also. Listen carefully. See that first question. First question is very simple question. Tan 69 degrees plus tan 66 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 69 degrees plus into tan 66 degrees. So see left hand side value, it is the form of tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan. A is equal to 69 degrees and B is equal to 66 degrees. So what happens, this is tan 69 plus 66. So that whole summation is what? That whole summation is what? 69 plus 60 means it is nothing but tan 135 degrees. Tan 135 degrees. So tan 135 we don't have value. So you write summation of allied angles. So 135 degrees means the angle present in second quadrant. In second coordinate, what are allied angles? 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. So you can use any one. So I am using tan 180 degrees minus 45. 180 degrees minus 45. So now see, 180 minus means the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is what? Negative. Tan is what? Negative. In the second quadrant, sine, cosecant only positive. Other trigonometric functions are negative. So tan is negative. So after that, 180 means tan means tan. So minus tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees value 1. So answer is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Is it clear this one? So answer is minus 1. Note down first. Next you see the second one. Next you see second one. Next you see second one. So this one, second one, cos 17 degrees sine 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees minus sine 17 degrees. See here same like that we did these problems, some example problems also I was explaining. Some example problems based on this. So like sine cos is given. So this is we have direct formula we have. So that trick I will explain next after completion of this one. So here throughout the equation is divided. So the whole problem should be converted in tan. That's why it is divided with whatever he given. Whatever given here cos 17 degrees throughout the equation. divided with cos 17 degrees. Then what happens? Cos 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees plus sin 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees whole divided by cos 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees minus sin 17 degrees divided by cos 17 degrees. So numerator and denominator divided with cos 17. So simplified, what we are getting, these two will be cancelled. So these two will be cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 plus tan 17 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 17 degrees. 1 plus tan 17 degrees, 1 minus tan 17 degrees is remaining. Clear this one? 1 plus tan 17 degrees, 1 minus tan 17 degrees is remaining. So 1 can be written as what in terms of tan? In terms of tan, 1 can be written as what? Tan pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees plus tan 17 degrees. So 1 can be written as in numerator. So tan 45 degrees. So here this one write as this. This one can be written as it is. So here tan 75 degrees multiplied with 1 means what happens? Tan 17 degrees only. So tan 17 degrees value multiplied with 1 means same only. For this 1 can be written as here also tan 45 degrees into tan 17 degrees. So here tan 45 is 1. 1 into this value means same only. That's why the whole value converted into tan A plus B. The whole problem converted into tan A plus B. Then what happens is, so what is our formula? Tan A plus B. So 45 plus 17. So what happens? This is 45 plus 17. How much you are getting? How much you are getting? 62 degrees. Tan 62 degrees. So that is our solution. That is our solution. Okay, now trick means, what is our trick means? Here 17 is there. 17 here cos 17 plus is there. You have to add 45 plus 17. Here cos 17 minus is there. You have to take 45 minus 17. 45 minus 17. That's it. That is our solution. Here plus is there. 45 add with 17. So here minus is there. 45 minus 17 you have to do. So that is only simple trick. So sin cos they will give, same angle they have to give. So cos sin is given. So here plus is given, add 45. So minus is given, numerator value. You have to fix any one value. So I will fix numerator value. In numerator here plus is there, you have to take 45 plus. Minus is there, 45 minus that angle, whatever the angle given. That. Okay, na? Note down fast. That is only simple trick. Next question. Next one. This was already explained. 92, 93, 94, 95. So these all problems. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So C 100. C 100. These all are completed. Okay, na? While doing the problems, we already finished all. Next, you see page number 67. Question number 100. Question number 100 is, so what is that? Prove that tan square A, it is equal to 1 minus cos 2A divided by 1 plus cos 2. 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. This is very important result. This is very important result. Important result. Okay, listen carefully. So take that value, LHS value you take, or RH. I am taking RHS value. So RHS equal to, take RHS value to LHS value. So 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. So cos 2a value we have to substitute. Cos 2a value 1 minus cos 2a value in terms of sine you take. So 1 minus 2 sine square a. 1 minus 2 sine square a. So divided by 1 plus, here cos 2a value you have to take in terms of sine. In terms of cos you take. In terms of cos, numerator value in terms of, otherwise do one thing. Otherwise do one thing. Simple simplification. Innu simpler ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So cos 2a equal to, cos 2a equal to, so 1 minus 2 sine square a. So from this formula I am writing 2 sine square a. What happens? 2 sine square a. So what happens? So 1 minus cos 2a. So this is one formula. So 1 minus cos 2a value you take 2 sine square a. So same, this is one formula. So cos 2a equal to, we have another formula, 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. Again here also 2 cos square a, it is equal to, 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a you take. So cos 2a equal to, so 2 cos square a minus 1. From that result we are getting 1 plus cos 2a value. So from this we are getting 1 minus 2 cos a value. So now you substitute 1 minus cos 2a value is what? 2 sine square a. 2 sine square a divided 1 plus cos 2a value is what? 2 cos square a. This is very important formula. So 1 plus cos 2a means formula 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a formula is 2 sine square a. So simplification, 2 get cancelled. Remaining what? Sine by cos means tan. So tan square a. That is tan square a. So that is our solution. Note down fast. Note down. Next, using these formulas, we have to simplify some values also. Some values using this formula. So we already simplified some values. Tan sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees. We already simplified that. Okay na? Similarly, we simplified sine 75, cos 75, tan 75. So obviously all values are simplified using the formulas. Using these formulas, then what we have to do? So using these formulas we can simplify sine 22.5 degrees, cos 22.5 degrees and tan 22.5 degrees. You see one question from this. So find the values of Question number 101. So question number 101. Find the values of first one sine 22.5 degrees, second one cos 22.5 degrees, next third one tan 22.5 degrees. So using that above formula we can calculate sin 22.5, cos 22.5, tan 22.5. Okay na? So we will discuss these solutions in next class. Okay na? So like that previous all problems in material you should practice. Exercise all problems completed. Okay na? Still some questions we are doing from the material. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, thank you all.